Hey guys, so last video I did an unboxing of the Alien Gear shapeshift holster system, and today I'm going to show you how to switch from the classic IWB holster to the appendix holster. So this is the backer for the IWB holster, and this is the backer for the appendix holster. So we are going to start with the IWB holster, and the first things you will need are the shell and the trigger guard. So turn the shell so you can see the inside and line up the trigger guard with the shell. If you slide in the trigger guard from the bottom first, the top will slide in much easier than if you try to slide in the top part first. So after you get it on, grab a twist lock and put it on, and then turn it to the right to lock it into place. Now your shell is ready to go onto the backer. So now you're just going to line it up and slip on the connector lock, which is a little bit hard to get on, and then you're going to put the twist lock on and twist it to the right. Now to take the shell back off, you will unlock the twist lock by turning it to the left and then sliding the connector lock off, and then just pull the shell off. Now for the appendix holster. Since you already have the trigger guard on the shell, you'll leave that on and just line up the shell with the holster and slip the appendix clip on, which doubles as a connector lock. And then grab the twist lock and you should be all set. Then to take it off, twist the lock to the left and pull the clip down and then release the shell. So that's about all for this video. If you guys have any questions about this Alien Gear holster system, please leave a comment down below and I'll talk to you guys on the next video.